Hello, I want to say thank you to the t-shirt given by Rolly and a morning mug, handsome morning from Rolly for my cup, and napay naghatag sa ko og underwear from a friend, Bobby. Yeah. Pero di na natin pakita kaya basig makitaan. Then himo tag kape. Ha, himo tag kape. Kaya tagaan ko niya mag kay siguro kung himo kape. Salamat Roll. Yeah. Thank you, Roll. First coffee with this mug. Diba? Thank you. Thank you sa pa-birthday, Rolly, and sa t-shirt. Oh, t-shirt. Bagay yun kayo. Thank you, thank you, thank you.